I went from a bag to a bag to a bag. I remember me and mama used to ride the cab. Pull up at the lot, no more lease, we paying cash. Show up to a crib, hand the keys to a Jag.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and this one is just a quick tutorial or how I did my passion twist, because I've been seeing these beautiful girls rocking it, and I was like, you know what, I think I can try this. So I spent like forever and a day on YouTube, I'm not gonna lie, trying to figure out the best way to do it, and I actually came across a video where someone braided their hair down and crocheted it through. I got 3 packs of this pre-stretched hair, and they came in 3 different rows. So all in all, I think I got 9, but I ended up using a pack and a half. I picked up some gold beads as well. I went to the Girl Cave LA. It's a black-owned beauty store. They have 3 locations, and the customer service was amazing. So my sister did the braiding for me because I'm trash, not gonna lie. So she sectioned it off for me. I did, however, put moisturizer in my hair, or a leave-in conditioner, I'm so sorry, in my hair, and I used some Eco Styler gel. And then she just went ahead and braided it about 5 times. And it made it so much easier for me to crochet my hair and start the passion twist that way. Versus braiding my hair back and then crocheting, which for me, I don't particularly like that look where it looks so bulky and so much. So, especially because I have thinner hair. But this is me trying to get it through. Y'all, I was struggling. It wasn't as easy at first to get it in at the top. The back, my hair is a different texture, so it was like the slip was much easier. But all in all, it wasn't that bad. I would say difficulty level out of 5 for me was like 3, and that's pretty good, because I probably would have, if it was any harder, I probably would have asked my sister to do my hair. So I'll go ahead and just speed through this video, and I'll check back in at the end.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is the final. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is how it turned out. I like freaking loved it. But yeah. Yeah. I like absolutely think it's so freaking cute. Okay, y'all, thanks so much for watching this video. I absolutely loved doing this. I can't believe it was my first time ever doing something like this. I just wanted to get creative and do something different with my hair because I was so tired of wearing like a wig that I had been wearing. What y'all didn't see off camera was I tried to dip to seal some of my ends, and when I realized that didn't work, I was like, okay, stop. So I'll know for next time because I'll definitely be doing it again. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, leave me some comments below. What do y'all think? Have you guys tried this before? Let me know. Bye.